Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix no internet connection in TikTok. So let's get start the video. At first, ensure your internet connection is working properly. Any loss in signal can prevent TikTok from loading content. Check if TikTok is experiencing server issues by visiting the down detector page for TikTok. The app itself may be experiencing a glitch, in which case you should try restarting the TikTok app. If restarting the TikTok app didn't fix your issue, your phone's operating system may be experiencing an issue. In this case, restart your phone. If you are using an old version of TikTok on your phone, that may be why you are seeing no internet connection error. To fix that, update your app to the latest version. If your issue still isn't resolved, your IP address or your geographical location may be the issue. TikTok may have banned your IP address or your location, preventing your access to TikTok's connection. In this case, if you still want to access the service, use a VPN on your phone. So, there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.